Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Meghalaya government to clear 565 crore pending power dues to NTPC in 20 installments. Cabinet decisions makes trade license mandatory for hawkers outside areas designated by municipal board. Deputy Chief Minister Meghalaya graced the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Meghalaya Board of School Education at Tura. Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress holds convention at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong. Now the news in detail. Power Minister A.T. Mondal said that the Power Department has moved the National Thermal Power Corporation for negotiation after the power dues rose to Rs 665 crore, which, if allowed to continue, would cross Rs 1,000 crore and create a burden. After the negotiation and frequent meetings, the NTPC agreed to the amount of Rs 565 crore instead of Rs 665 crore, but this should be paid in 20 installments, he said.
As of now, it is 565 crore divided by 20. So whatever amount comes, that will be the amount. But as I am telling that we are still negotiating with them so that the number of installments are increased. So it will come down also. Now the moment we finalize with NTPC, then it will go accordingly. No, earlier we were taking power from them. It is not that we have never taken power from them. But as I told you that the amount was quite high, and the per unit tariff was also, because that has been fixed by CRC as per the agreement.
The State Cabinet yesterday put restrictions on vending activities in the city after the fire incident in Thana Road on Saturday. The government said that the fire tenders could not pass through the road at Kandailat due to the presence of hawkers close to the middle of the road. According to the Cabinet decision, the hawkers could not possess trade license in areas that are outside the 3 normal areas under the control of the Shillong Municipal Board. Legal vendors should also have election photo identity card, certificate of residence for at least 3 years in Meghalaya, and they should have been vending in a particular spot for 6 months.
That they have to possess, for instance, an EPIC, that they are voters of the state of Meghalaya, and also that they have stayed in Meghalaya for at least the last 3 years, and that they have been trading or vending in a particular place for a minimum of 6 months, and also that they possess a trade license based wherever the Trading by Non-Tribals Act is applicable. Okay.
Deputy Chief Minister Meghalaya yesterday graced the Golden Jubilee celebrations of the Meghalaya Board of School Education, MBOS, Tura. Addressing as the chief guest, the Deputy CM expressed gratitude for the board's achievements over the past 50 years and praised MBOS as one of the best boards in the country. Dhar acknowledged the progress in the education sector despite challenges and hoped for more achievements in the future. During the program, the chief guest hoisted and unfurled the MBOS flag, symbolizing the board's long-standing legacy.
I think all of us remember that MBOS is increasing day by day, improving day by day. This is it all. I didn't say that we are perfect, but I didn't say that we are below others. But when the unity between all, we can challenge the others who are following us. Education is universal. I never heard of people sitting here. Some of us students on myself. You see the universe.
The Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress today held a convention at the Usosotham Auditorium in Shillong. Manish Chatrat, AICC in charge of Meghalaya, along with the MPPC President Vincent H. Pala and Ronnie V. Lingdo, leader of opposition, along with several MLAs and MDCs, graced the event. In his address, Manish Chatrat emphasized that Congress is a party that embraces individuals from all walks of life. He highlighted the party's continuous growth, citing the increasing strength of the present party members, which he believes is contributing to the party's growing resilience. Key topics such as election preparation, party strengthening, and leadership development took the center stage during the program.
It was some individual issue with somebody who made you go out of the party. Congress party never throws out anybody. Congress party is always with open arms, welcoming people, anybody from any center of the party. So you were always part of us, you will always remain part of us. And I'm very happy from this platform I can say that since the time Mr. Salen joined the party.
The Central Puja Committee of Meghalaya hosted the 30th All-Faith Get-Together for Harmony at the Hindu Mission Durga Puja Committee in Mawprem, setting the stage for the upcoming Durga Puja celebrations. The event, aimed at fostering unity, witnessed the participation of religious leaders from various faiths who collectively pledged to stand united. Speaking at the program, Social Welfare Minister and West Shillong legislator Paul Lingdo emphasized the significance of Mawprem as a cosmopolitan reflection of the hill city, making it the perfect location for such a gathering. He called upon the attendees to embrace unity and harmony.
Get together, all faith, all religion. So the concept behind this is religion should be all inclusive. All religions are, we believe, are all same. We worship, we believe in one God, the entire humanity, but the path may be different. But we all aspire, we all seek solace in the arms of one Almighty.
The Mass Media Department of St. Anthony's College, Shillong, today held an art exhibition titled Sandrai, which means autumn in Khasi, at the conference hall of the college with an aim to explore the vibrant and transformative nature of autumn through a diverse range of artistic expression. The exhibition featured works of students who have drawn inspiration from the season's color palette, moods and symbolism. The event showcased the beauty and essence of fall season through various forms of art installations, photographs, audio-video materials and paintings. It also seeks to showcase art that not only draw inspiration from nature, but it also created using organic and sustainable materials, embodying the principles of environmental consciousness. 5 schools were chosen to represent the West Jaintia Hills district at the state-level Children's Science Congress following the district-level Children's Science Congress held yesterday. The event was organized by the State Council of Science, Technology and Environment, Meghalaya, in collaboration with the District Planning, West Jaintia Hills on the theme Understanding Ecosystem for Health and Well-Being at the District Library in Jowai. The competition session featured students from various schools presenting their projects under the designated theme. The selected teams will represent the district at the state-level Children's Science Congress, scheduled to take place on November 14th and 15th, 2023 at Shillong College. Now the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 22 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature at 13.1 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 65% and relative humidity in the evening was 78%. The forecast for tomorrow: light to moderate rainfall is likely to occur at isolated places. Before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. Meghalaya government to clear 565 crore pending power dues to NTPC in 20 installments. Cabinet decisions make trade license mandatory for hawkers outside areas designated by municipal board. Deputy Chief Minister Ngau Bhalang Dar graced the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Meghalaya Board of School Education at Tura. Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress holds convention at Usosotham Auditorium, Shillong. That's all we have in the news bulletin for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you and have a good night.